All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back for the afternoon meeting in the Cyber Group room. How's everybody doing? Good to see you all. All right. Andrea's got a little coffee next to him. It's making me hungry for some desserts. Good to see you, Ken. Lynette, good to see you. Lawrence, Phil, everyone. All right, good. All right, everybody. So once again, you know what? It's like it sounds like Groundhog's Day. It's like every day. It's like, there we go again. Let me tell you something. I would have to say this had to be so damn easy. This one stock right here that we found in pre-market. I mean, I talked about this was probably my favorite stock that I found this morning. Out of all the stocks that we traded, I think we killed it on this one, this position right here. This was a perfect pre-market short. You can't get better than this. This was like, hands down, was like almost like a, I hate to use the word guarantee, but I mean, the writing was on the wall on this one. It was a great trade. I just want to bring that up. It had everything that had to do with Fausto flags, everything about breaking lower lows, and then right at the gate when 930 came in there, buddy, boom, 28 all the way down to 25. Everyone should have got the short on this one. And what do I always say? Listen, if you can't trade 1,000, if you're scared to trade 100, do one share. You know what? At least you would have had know what it's like to be in the game in that position. But that was probably I would have to say it was one of the easiest ones that I've traded in a long time. I know you guys did, but I know you guys did great on that one. The symbol, you don't see the symbol. It's right smack in your face. NWL. Come on, Ken. NWL is right there. Beautiful trade right there. Anyway, a couple other stocks that we did pretty well too today. If you missed out on that one, I know you guys did pretty well on some other stocks. ITUS was okay. It wasn't as nice, you know. The FCAU was a good swing trade, but now profit taking's coming in. It's testing at major resistance levels right here. Want to hold on to that one. The TAL. Great push right here. I like this one going into the close. By the way, I'm gonna put this one on the watch list. And then obviously, hands down, I mean, this Mankind, that was just like a perfect setup. You could see it. You know, it's funny. I was getting ready for the 12 o'clock meeting that we were doing today, and I'm like, and I sent an email to Josh. I said, Josh, this stock is going to break. This thing is definitely going higher. You got your beautiful Fausto flag right there, right around 12 o'clock. And you know, when I started my event, I'm like, you know what? I don't like to, I don't like to be in a position when I'm doing an event because you know, us men can't do two things at one time. But I told Josh, put it in a room, everyone look at it, and then bam, you could see that thing just popped to 340, went to 350, and then boom, went all the way up to about 390. So that was another big move. But we did great here this morning. I got out right around here on the 350. When I called it out right around here around the 319, we did pretty well on that. But came out a little bit at a left field at 10:15, so that one worked out pretty well. A lot of good movers today. A good stock. It was nice about that one. You could trade several thousand shares of it, and I know a lot of you guys did pretty well on that one. And then what was the other one? We had a short. Was it the CLF? Was it CLF? Yeah, that one just still continue to go lower. I know some of you guys are looking at it right now. CLF. That one did pretty well, too. I'm going to throw it out a watch list. And by the way, there was another stock I told you guys about to keep an eye on. I talked about this yesterday and the day before that. And you know what keeps breaking new highs? It's not a day trade, okay? It's a swing trade. But that GoDaddy, listen, you could see it right here. It's been starting to make a big move. I know some of us, I had it watching for a while. I don't own that much of it, but I've been watching for a long time. It's been sitting here forever. And once it broke through the 35, 37, it started making its big move, and then right around here after 45, you could see it's now starting to make a really nice pop right there on GoDaddy. Like I told you, it's about pretty good, a very good company. A lot of us, everything that we own CTU is at GoDaddy. So anyway, great swing trade on that one too. So we got three stocks that we're going into the afternoon. There's a couple other ones. So we're going to look at some of them. We're going to work our way out the list. By the way, the LTBR, listen, you know what? Right out of the gate, when this stock fell apart right here in pre-market, we saw that and it broke that support. You know, the writing was on the wall that this thing was going to tank. That's not supposed to happen, all right? That's not like, you know, that's not like the one, the NWL that we just looked at earlier. But a lot of profit taken on that one. That one went down. So, listen, we find a lot of them this morning. Doesn't mean that they're going to be tradable, I'm going to keep Mankind on my list, MNKD. Put that back on there. A lot of you remember we traded the stock for 2 days. It went as high as almost $7. I think the news on it says that it's like the top 3 best diabetes drugs out there, or something like companies, 2018. I don't know, but it came out awfully late, though. This one also was pretty good, the OVA. Now, for all the scalpers out there, all my scalpers that I did the class yesterday, this stock is perfect for you. You can see it's been testing some good supports, resistance levels. Just do what you were taught, buying the bid, selling the offer, do everything that we taught you how to trade going to the afternoon. All right, trading and how to scalp. All right, so let me see what else we got going on over here. We got those shorts that we liked. BLDP, well, battery not doing too well right there. And I think that's about it on NASDAQ. I don't see if anything popped up. Looking at my scanners, see anything else is out there. I think that pretty much does it. This one's making a big move right here. JDST making a little bit, but it's expensive. It's expensive. I don't know if you guys want to go out there and spend all that money. By the way, this GWW, my God, this thing I saw it this morning. We were talking about it at 250. I'm like, who's going to go out there and risk it? I can't believe this thing. Look at that, almost $300. Thing keeps going up higher and higher. We can't afford it. You're not going to go out there and risk $300 stock, right? All right, so put this one on your list also on the short list, HZN. HZN. I tell you, I love shorting. I tell you guys this all the time. Whatever goes up comes down twice as fast. So always put that on your watch list. We got the LPI too. Look at that, another great looking short. We said it today. Today was like a great short day, right? I don't know if NG's on your short list, but that thing looks like it's breaking low. Wow, a lot of New York Stock Exchange stocks, all little nice shorts. J-Nut, what is it? What's going on with the gold? Any big news? Yeah, all these stocks. Look at them, great shorts. CLF, look at that. We wrote that one down already. Beautiful. This is great. This is awesome. Love the shorts. GNC, all love the shorts. Every day is a great day to short. It is. You know what? Shorting, it just makes things so much easier. Whatever goes up, everything comes down twice as fast. Most people in the world don't think of shorting. Some of the biggest profits I ever had was on a short. And, you should always think of shorting, guys. Listen, ever since they changed the rule, which was not too long ago, you could only short on an uptick arrow. You were never able to short on a downtick arrow. All right? Definitely easy money. Gold fell out of bed. Ugh. My gold coin's not going to be worth anything. All right, everybody. So those are our lists. We got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 good stocks. All right, so we got that. Once again, not all of them are going to move. And if we find anything new, we'll go out there and spit it out there. And just everyone, just always keep in mind, we always have new ones that come out, and we have a lot of new trial members that join us. By the way, guys, thanks for going out there and supporting us on the open house day. And remember, we do it every single week to recruit traders. So hopefully we have a lot of them that are going to stick with us, which is great. I guess they see what trading is all about and how we did, and that's what it's all. That's what we need, right? Okay, guys. TA is falling. Was able to get 2,000 shares. Ken, all right. TAL. It's going to be testing support levels right here. Keep a close eye on it. All right. All right, everyone. So what is the market came down, took a little bit of dive too, right? Then that's what happened. Market came down. There you go. I tell you, I was like, weren't we up like 150 points? I just came back from lunch and look at that. We dropped like 100 points. All right, that answers that. All right, everybody. Listen, good luck today. Happy trading. And if I don't see you going to the close, see you here first thing in the morning tomorrow. If you're going to take Friday off, I'd love to hear that too. If you did well today, remember. Monday, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays are always hump days. Thanks, everyone. Happy trading.